Hi guys, I got an Idyl package. I was influenced, unfortunately or fortunately, and there was a 20% off Mother's Day sale, and I just decided to go for it and order 2 new pieces from Idyl. I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and I'm gonna show you how the pieces look and how I put them on and which piercing I put them on. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piercings on this side. I have this new little stud from Misoma. This little hoop I got from a friend from Misoma. This stud is from my mom, from her collection. This stud is from my dad, from his jeweler. Also from my dad, from his jeweler. So I recently switched up my jewelry from silver to gold, so this is just what I have in my ear right now. On this side I have my 4 piercings. So my plan is to put the Bea earring on this piercing at the front, because I don't really love this hoop. And then I'm gonna put the Spark ear cuff on this last hoop maybe, and put the cuff up here. That's my plan at least, so we'll see how that looks. There's this cute little handwritten card, thank you. Oh, enjoy the sparkles, XOXO Idyl. So cute. And then it comes wrapped, so this is a little pouch. Oh, this is so cute. So this is the free pouch that came with the purchase. It was part of the 20% off that you get this jewelry pouch. So this is gonna be really nice for traveling. Oh wow. Oh, there's another pouch. This is so cute. It's like silky and very soft, very cushioned. So I know my jewelry is gonna be safe. So I got 2 pouches. This is so nice. This is the Shine Serum Brightening Jewelry Cleanser for Everyday Shine. The scanning code at the back that we can use to like see how this is meant to be used, I guess. Cute, a little brush, very cute. And silk cloth. Yeah, is it silk? Could be. Very nice. So this is a certification card. It says that it was certified by the name of the person who's certifying it. It's a lab-grown diamond, color grade D to G, clarity grade VS, cut grade excellent, traceable 14 karat solid gold, handmade in Antwerp, Belgium. This is the purchase. Find funny things in serious situations. Miss the point, drop the ball, pick yourself up and walk tall. Be your own ideal. Lovely. Guys, this is gorgeous. This is stunning. I cannot wait to put them in. Oh my god, are you seeing that? That is so pretty. Whoa, that is stunning. Oh my god, I can't wait to put these in. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the Bea now, which has a petite stud. Can you see that? So that's the petite stud that I got with the Bea. So I'm gonna put it in the first. Okay, that's in now. That's gorgeous. I'm gonna try it on a few of the points or little openings on the post. I think that looks pretty good. Finally got it in. So that's how that looks now. I really like that. It's so cute, guys. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. This is another earring that I got from this one is another earring that I got from Misomo. It's a few little diamonds on it. If you can see them. Yeah, that's the diamonds there now. So yeah, that is actually looking really cute. I'm loving the look of that. It's really kind of drawing the eye now. So I actually took the third piercing out, and I'm gonna put the petite diamond stud in here and connect the cuff to about here maybe. This is the Spark A cuff. Right, so it has this little attachment, and at the end of the attachment is this little hoop. So this is where you put the stud in to this little hoop. And then I'm gonna put it in my third piercing on my lobe, and put the back in as well to secure it. Then I'm gonna put the back on. That's the stud in. This is just hanging off. Good. Looks amazing, actually. And then I was looking up how you put the cuff on because I've never done this before. So I think how it goes, there's an opening here and you're meant to put the first piece in. Okay, so I finally got that in. So it was a bit tricky to get it across to the second one, I'm not gonna lie. It did take a little bit of effort, but I'm loving how this looks. I think it's still not too flashy that you can wear this every day. But I think for me, I might not wear the Spark cuff every single day. Just because I'm afraid of it getting caught in my hair, especially if I get a little bit warm and I have to tie my hair up. I feel like it might catch. I'm not too sure. I could try it out for a few days and see how I feel about it, but I think for every day, I think it is too stunning to use every day. I don't want this to become like a regular thing. Like I want to bring this out for special occasions, I think. But it looks so gorgeous. I love it. Really not a bad purchase, especially to get it on the 20% off for the Idyl sale. Like, it's so gorgeous. I love this. This is stunning. I guess if you haven't already, like, do look into Idyl. Like, I'm actually happy that I was a bit influenced to get it, because I think ordinarily without the sale, I don't think I would have like purchased these earrings. Like, and they are just gorgeous. They fit in so well to my ear, and they're not too hard to put in. Like, I thought the attachments would be a bit difficult, but they're not that bad. I'd say look them up and see what looks good. But this was the Bea and this was the Spark ear cuff, both with the petite studs. Gorgeous. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little informative video, you know, just seeing how I put them in and where it works in my ear and how I would use them. I definitely keep this one in for like everyday wear, because I think it just like brightens up my ear. I think this one I'll bring out for special occasions. They are stunning pieces, and it's lab grown, it's, you know, 14 karat gold, and you know, I'll be able to shower with these in, I'll be able to go to the gym with them. You know, I probably won't take them out that much. I'm not that good about changing my earrings. Of course, with the Spark ear cuff, I feel like I will take that out and put it back in anytime like I'm going out, like for dinner or shopping, or, you know, meeting up with friends. Like, I think I'll bring this back out. But for everyday wear, I think I'm probably just gonna use my studs, because I just think this is too stunning to become just a regular earring for me, you know? I don't want to be using this too often that like it just becomes a regular piece to me. I don't want that for this one either, but this just like brightens up my entire day, so I would use this every day. But yeah, see what's good on the sale, and I think it's coming to an end now if it hasn't already ended. But yeah, I would say invest in their pieces when you can. I think for the next sale, I'm gonna have an eye on a few other ones that I might want to invest in, maybe another ear cuff or two. I have never bought an ear cuff for myself. I've always kind of put hoops at the piercing point, so I would have had a hoop up here. But it's kind of nice to have the option to use an ear cuff and not have to be pierced in that area, and it still dresses up that part of the ear that's missing something. So it's nice to have that option. So yeah, I would say definitely check Idyl out. I was influenced, but it's kind of nice to see what's out there, to just give yourself a little bit of a change to your ears, because I think that it really does draw the attention to the ears. It's so nice. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and please do let me know if there's anything that you want me to review or show you, and I will be happy to talk about that next time. But until then, enjoy!